Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring a fun and fascinating example of how explainable AI, or XAI, can uncover surprising mistakes in AI decisions. Imagine an AI looking at a picture of a cute husky dog and saying, "That's a wolf." Huh, that doesn't seem right, does it? We're going to dive into why this happens and how XAI clears up the confusion. Let's get started. Here's the situation. You show an AI a photo of a husky, a fluffy, friendly dog with bright blue eyes and a big smile, standing in the snow. But the AI misfires and labels it wolf. Now, if you're not an AI expert, you might think, okay, maybe it looks a bit wild, but you're still scratching your head, thinking, why a wolf? It's clearly a dog. If the AI were a black box model, it'd just stick to that answer. No explanation, no insight, just wolf. That's where the confusion starts. But with XAI, we don't have to stay in the dark. XAI steps in and opens up the black box, showing us exactly why the AI made that mistake. In this case, the explanation is surprising but simple. The machine is making its decision based on the presence of ice in the background. That's right, the snowy, icy setting in the husky's photo tricked the AI into thinking it was a wolf, because wolves are often associated with snowy, wild environments, while huskies, though similar looking, are domesticated dogs. Let's break it down. The AI saw the husky's picture, noticed the ice and snow, and used that as a key factor to classify it as a wolf. It's like the AI got distracted by the scenery instead of focusing on the animal itself, maybe the husky's fur, eyes, or other features that would scream dog. Without XAI, you'd never know this. You just see wolf and wonder, what's going on? But XAI highlights the ice in the background, saying, hey, this is why I got it wrong. This is where XAI's power shines. As an end user, you're not left puzzled anymore. You understand the AI's mistake, and you can trust it or question it because you see the reasoning. Maybe you'd adjust the photo, remove the snowy background, or retrain the AI to focus on the right features, like the husky's distinct traits. XAI turns a weird mix-up into a learning moment, making the AI more reliable and transparent. And that's the beauty of XAI for something like this husky versus wolf example. It transforms a mysterious black box decision into a clear, human-friendly explanation, instead of a confusing wolf label leaving you with a why. Thought bubble. XAI shows you the ice in the background and says, here's what I saw. It's AI that doesn't just classify, it explains, helps, and grows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.